Hello, here we are, Harold's Tacos and More, and it is Taco Day. Awesome. So right now what I'm going to do is prepare the slaw for it, but what's on the menu for the tacos is a tofu cutlet that I baked in the oven, and episode 3 goes through that process. Then I've got some portobello mushrooms, and I'm going to roast those, and some barbecued salmon. And then we've got soft wheat, soft corn, and hard corn taco shells that we're going to put our tacos in. Going to have a great slaw here, and I'll go through that. And then our rhubarb red onion salsa that is marinating in the fridge, and I think another episode goes through that as well. So cabbage, carrot, I'm going to grate some of that, a bit of radish, and we'll slice that up, and then I'm going to put in some of those sliced sweet onion that was in the hot pepper vinegar, and I'll put a little bit of that in as well. So let's get to work. I like to make the cabbage, not super big, but not super small either, so that you get a decent amount. Yeah, so we'll just chop that up. This is a little bit big. And then I just grate the carrot and slice the radish. I've got about 3/4 of a cabbage here that I'll do. We'll see, I'll start with the half, and then grate the carrot, slice the radish. So radish is how I like to do it for this slaw, and I don't always include radish, is, you can't see down here, is just, maybe like there's a good sized radish here. I'll cut that into half, and then just nice thin julienne slices. Is that what you call it? Not sure. And then we grate the carrot. So I'll bring you back after I've prepped all the vegetables, show you that, make the dressing. Okay, so vegetables are chopped. This kind of what it looks like, and also from a proportion size. Let's add some of the onion. Not a lot, because there's onion in that salsa as well, but this will give it a nice zing. And now let's get to making the dressing. So what I do is a little bit of mayo, and I kind of do a half and half of mayo and Greek yogurt, so, or roughly, and just sort of the plain Greek yogurt. So what do I have? About 2 tablespoons in there, and do about the same of this. And I'm going to use a little bit of this vinegar. Use a fork. That's a better idea. Bit about that. Much for the spillage. And some lime juice. Stab it with the fork to loosen the lime up a little bit. There we go. Mix this together. And then you can decide, if you want to I'll add it to mix it into the coleslaw now and let it sit through the afternoon for the flavors to blend together. And but certainly if you know, sometimes it's a bit of a concern that it'll get a little too runny or something. But yeah, so let's get a clean spoon, give her a taste. Needs more vinegar for sure, and a little bit more lime juice. So we'll squeeze another one. I like it tangy. We like it tangy in our household. I think I'll put in some apple cider vinegar. Give her a taste. Oh yeah, lots better. But I think it needs a little bit of this Tajin. I don't know, we bought it in Mexico. Went for an awesome bike ride this morning. Beautiful day here where I'm at. Okay, let's mix her up. This is going to be awesome on the tacos. Hard to believe, with it being Harold's Tacos and more, that it's taken me forever to get to making tacos. Well, I think I know I have made tacos. I just haven't videoed it. So, and we'll see, these tangy things are a bit too big for my bowl. Didn't test them out beforehand. Guess that's what I'll have to do for another time. And there we have it. A great slaw for tonight with the tacos. And so we'll be getting the other ingredients ready in just a little bit. We'll let this sit in the fridge and we'll catch up with you in a few minutes.